All right, so what's good, Ghost Gang? So I looked at the video and I figured out to put out my own video. And on this video, it'll be how to reset your maintenance light. All it is for to change the oil. And I just changed my oil, so I know that it's not anything going on my oil. Yes, this is my 03 Honda Pilot. And it's got 207,000 miles on it. She's still running strong. No lights or nothing on the dash. And I'm going to show you. So the first thing you want to do with this light being on is you want to cut the car off in the off position. And then you see where it says right here, select reset. This is where you want to reset, and you want to hold this down like so. So I am holding it down. Hold that, babe. Because it's hard to do this with two hands. Just hold it there. And then I'm going to cut the vehicle all the way right before the on. And I'm going to hold it for about 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is. It went off. So anywhere from see, and it reset everything. And it's anywhere from 5 to 10 seconds, give or take. So then I cut the car on. There you go. There you have it. That's how you reset the light. So if you guys are having car troubles with the reset maintenance light, it is just for the oil. And you can see my oil one is up there. But I know I just got my oil changed, and it's just a way for you to keep up when it's time for the oil to be changed. I don't know how many miles a Honda Pilot actually does, but I'm pretty sure it's probably somewhere around 5,000 to 7,000 miles that the oil needs to be changed, and that's when that indicator light has been on. So I hope this video was very helpful to you guys. I figured I would make it and put it out on my channel because there's people who may be around me that have Honda Pilots from my channel that want to know how to reset the light. So there you go. This your buddy Ghostfighter 2Ts. Hit me with a sub, like, and a comment. I appreciate it, and I'm out.